Hi friends, welcome to our GyaanSchool channel. This video is all about how to download PDF from GyaanSchool website. First of all, let me give you the overview of what GyaanSchool is. GyaanSchool provides online educational materials specially designed for Hindi medium students to learn better and in easy way. Let's get started. Type www.gyaanschool.com. Click on the question you want to download. This is the video section and this is the text content. You will get two options here, print and save. Click on save, enter your mail ID and click on submit button. It will take few moments to download. And it's done. You can view your PDF in downloads section. That's it. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to hit on subscribe button. Do like and share our videos with your friends. You can post your queries and doubts in comment section below.